Ready to turn your home into a space that feels straight out of a luxury retreat? These home and bathroom upgrades are designed to elevate your space with style, comfort, and a touch of everyday indulgence. From sleek finishes to smart details, everything here is about making your surroundings feel more refined and relaxing. All products are linked in the description below. Yes, this is a toilet. No, you've never seen anything like it. This smart one-piece toilet combines a built-in bidet, heated seat, automatic lid, and ambient LED lighting, all in one sleek design that looks more like furniture than a bathroom fixture. Warm water cleansing replaces toilet paper entirely, with adjustable pressure and temperature, so every experience is exactly how you like it. A companion app lets you control every feature remotely, and the dual flush system keeps water usage smart and efficient. Guests will ask about it. You'll never want to use another bathroom again. Your pet deserves a proper bed, not a floor cushion. This raised pet cot lifts your small dog or cat off cold, hard floors and onto a plush, cozy surface that's genuinely good for their joints. A 2-inch orthopedic foam pad relieves pressure on hips and joints, especially helpful for senior pets or breeds prone to arthritis. 3-sided bolsters wrap around them for that safe, nestled feeling they love, with a pillow that supports their neck and keeps their airways open. The cover unzips and goes straight in the washing machine, and the frame wipes clean in seconds. The gym called? It wants its treadmill back. This foldable powerhouse hits speeds up to 14 miles per hour and shifts from a -3% decline to a 12% incline, so you can simulate everything from flat sprints to steep mountain trails without leaving your house. A 24-inch touchscreen tilts and pivots to follow you, whether you're on the belt or rolling out a yoga mat nearby. The cushioned deck absorbs impact with every stride, protecting your knees and joints during longer runs. When you're done, fold it up and roll it out of the way in seconds. It's a full commercial gym experience that fits in your living room. Your body moves all day. Your chair should too. The gesture was designed after studying how people actually sit, slouched, twisted, leaning, crossing legs, and built to support every one of those positions naturally. The arms rotate a full 360 degrees and adjust in every direction. So whether you're typing, leaning back on a call, or reaching across your desk, your arms are always supported. The contoured back follows your spine's natural curve and reclines with 3 settings, all adjustable from a single panel on your right side without any awkward reaching around. It's the chair that finally keeps up with you. Cable chaos is officially over. This electric sit-to-stand desk adjusts from sitting to standing height with millimeter precision and remembers your 3 favorite heights, so you never have to fiddle with it twice. What sets it apart is the world's first fully integrated power column, running a single hidden cable through the desk leg to power everything, so no wires dangle or tangle as you raise and lower it. A full-length cable management tray runs the entire width of the desk, swallowing every cord out of sight. Snap-on RGB lighting, a monitor arm, or a custom desk mat. Everything is magnetic and purpose-built to fit perfectly. Your morning coffee just got a serious upgrade. This capsule coffee machine uses 15 bar pressure, the same level as professional coffeehouse machines, to deliver lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, and even iced drinks right on your kitchen counter. Pop in a capsule, flip the lever, and your drink is ready in under a minute. You control exactly how strong or how frothy each cup comes out, so every drink is made exactly the way you like it. With over 15 capsule varieties to choose from, you'll never get bored of your morning routine again. Some kitchens have a stove. This kitchen has a statement. At nearly 6 feet wide, this French-made range is the undisputed centerpiece of any kitchen it enters. It houses 2 grand vaulted ovens, 1 gas, 1 electric, giving you the flexibility to roast, bake, and slow cook simultaneously without compromise. 7 different range-top configurations let you customize the cooking surface exactly the way a professional chef would. Choose your enamel color, your trim finish, polished brass, copper, chrome, and more, and you've got a range that's as unique as the kitchen it lives in. Turn on the water without touching a single handle. This smart kitchen faucet activates with just a tap anywhere on the body or spout, so when your hands are covered in dough or raw chicken, you're not smearing anything on your fixtures. It's smart enough to tell the difference between a tap to start the flow and a grab to reposition the spout. A built-in LED light changes color as the water temperature shifts, so you always know if it's hot before you reach in. Less mess, less waste, and a whole lot more intuitive than any faucet you've used before. Getting up to adjust the blinds is so last decade. These motorized shades open, close, and tilt at the tap of a button from your phone, a remote, or just your voice. Set a schedule and they'll adjust automatically throughout the day, blocking harsh afternoon sun to keep rooms cooler in summer and retaining warmth in winter, which actually trims your energy bill. The motors run near silently, so no clunky mechanical noise to break the mood. It's a small upgrade that quietly makes your entire home feel smarter. Two seats, zero stress, infinite comfort. This leather Loveseat reclines into a zero-gravity position, where your legs float above your heart level, so your whole body decompresses the moment you lean back. Built-in speakers surround you in sound while massage and heat work through the seat and lumbar supports simultaneously. Power headrests, USB ports, cup holders, and hidden storage mean you never have to get up for anything. It seats 2, but honestly, you might not want to share. Off, it's a mirror. On, it's a 4K TV. This wall-mounted mirror looks like a perfectly ordinary and beautiful piece of home decor until you turn it on, at which point a full 4K ultra-high-definition screen appears right through the glass. The moment you switch it off, the screen vanishes completely, leaving nothing but your reflection. It comes in sizes from 43 to 75 inches and a range of designer frames to match any room's style. Smart TV apps and streaming are all built in, so your living room gets a stunning focal point that pulls double duty without giving away a single secret. Good sleep isn't luck, it's temperature. This smart mattress cover fits over your existing bed and independently heats or cools each side, so you and your partner never have to fight over the thermostat again. Built-in sensors track your sleep quality, heart rate, and breathing throughout the night, then automatically adjust the temperature to keep you in your deepest sleep stages. In the morning, a gentle vibration wakes just your side of the bed without disturbing anyone else. It's like having a sleep scientist living inside your mattress, one that actually lets you rest. This is not a bathtub, it's a whole spa that fits in your bathroom. Whirlpool jets, air bubble massage, a waterfall feature, and a heating function that keeps the water warm so you never have to rush. It does it all. 7-color underwater LED lights set the mood, while built-in Bluetooth lets you play music or tune into the radio without bringing your phone near the water. A touchscreen control panel puts every function at your fingertips, and an ozone system quietly purifies the water while you soak. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this is the kind of tub you build a bathroom around. Shoes everywhere is not a personality trait. This slim cabinet tucks into any narrow entryway and holds up to 24 pairs behind 3 clean flip-down doors. At just 9.45 inches deep, it fits where bulkier racks simply can't. Hallways, small foyers, tight mudrooms. The flip-down doors open smoothly with one hand, even when you're juggling groceries or a toddler. Built-in hooks keep keys and bags within reach, and the wood grain white finish looks sharp enough to be the first thing guests notice when they walk in. Your shower has been holding out on you. This wall-mounted shower tower packs 6 functions into one sleek stainless steel panel. Rainfall, waterfall, massage jets, a handheld sprayer, tub spout, and a full-body mist. An LED display shows you the exact water temperature before you step in, so no more shocking surprises. The massage jets hit multiple points at once, turning a regular rinse into something closer to a spa treatment. It mounts straight to your existing wall and connects to standard plumbing. No major renovation needed. 6 functions, 1 panel, 0 excuses for a boring shower. Your toilet is overdue for an upgrade. This bidet attachment fits onto your existing toilet seat in minutes. No plumber, no electrician, no hassle. A self-cleaning nozzle with adjustable angle lets you dial in exactly where the water goes, so every wash is precise and comfortable. You control the water pressure with a simple knob, from a gentle rinse to a stronger clean. It runs entirely without electricity, using just your home's water supply. One small upgrade that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Most lamps just sit there. This one thinks. This intelligent floor lamp automatically tracks the time of day and adjusts its brightness and color temperature to match, warmer in the evening, sharper in the morning. It functions as 4 lights in one: task lighting, ambient glow, indirect light, and a feature light, all from a single sleek stem. 3 rotating joints let you point the light precisely where you need it, whether that's your book, your desk, or the ceiling. The LEDs are built to last 60 years, and you can fine-tune everything: brightness, color, intensity, straight from your phone. Put down your 5 different remotes. This smart remote controls your entire home from one sleek device. Voice commands, responsive buttons, and a premium build make navigating your setup effortless. Point it at your TV, your lights, your speakers, it handles them all. One remote to rule them all. Your back has been asking for this chair. This Scandinavian-designed saddle seat chair was created in 1984 and still leads the pack because good ergonomics never go out of style. The seat adjusts from regular sitting all the way up to near standing height, so you're never locked into one position for hours. It moves with you as you shift and lean, keeping your spine naturally aligned without you even thinking about it. Technology that knows when to be quiet. This natural wood smart display panel lives on your wall like a piece of furniture and only lights up when you actually need it. Touch the surface to check the weather, control your lights and speakers, leave handwritten notes for your family, or set a calming breathing exercise to wind down. It connects with your smart home devices, works with voice assistants, and even shows seasonal poetry when the mood calls for it. It's the rare piece of tech that makes your home feel calmer, not busier. Curves are having a moment, and this sofa is leading the charge. This boucle curve sofa brings a sculptural, gallery-worthy silhouette to your living room. No art degree required. The textured boucle fabric is soft to the touch, but tough enough to handle real life with spill-resistant performance fabric that wipes clean with ease. It seats 3 comfortably, and at over 10 feet wide, there's room for the whole crew. Style it as a standalone stunner or mix and match modular pieces to build the configuration that fits your space perfectly. Movie night just got a serious upgrade. This cinema sofa turns your living room into a first-class theater seat. No ticket required. Vibrating seats let you feel every rumble and explosion right through the cushions, so action scenes hit different. Built-in cooling cup holders keep your drinks cold. Heated seats keep you warm. And a touchscreen console lets you control it all without pausing the movie. Power Recline. Adjustable headrests and integrated Bluetooth speakers mean you never have to compromise on comfort or sound. What if your chair could read your body? This Italian-crafted recliner is built from 120 precision components, all working together so the chair moves exactly as you do, not the other way around. Lean back and the seat responds instantly. Tilt sideways and it follows. Shift your weight and it adjusts without you lifting a finger. The swivel base rotates a full 360 degrees, so getting in and out is effortless. Handcrafted leather, quilted detailing, and a silhouette designed in Italy, this is the chair your living room has been waiting for. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.